will explain how we can arrange the given letters of the word according to dictionary. Okay, so let's begin with an example. If the letters of the words let be permuted and the words so far be arranged as in dictionary. Okay, find the rank of the word let. Okay, so in dictionary the word each stage be arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, as you know what is alphabetical order. Okay, in alphabetical order first A come, after B, and after C, D, E, F, G and so on. Okay, so here in this question we have to ask if the given letter of the word, okay, be permuted according to dictionary order, then what is the rank of let. Okay, so means when this word let comes after which numbers. So let me see how we can arrange the letter of the word let. Okay, so given word equal to letter L let. The given letter word is let. Okay, and now first write this according to dictionary order. So according to dictionary order, first comes A in dictionary order. Order. First comes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, S, T. Okay, so here given the letter of the word according to the dictionary order. So this alphabet comes according to dictionary. Okay, so in dictionary first comes A. Okay, so first let us consider letter A. Okay, and we left 1, 2, 3. Remaining letter 3 are left. So 3 letter means E. Okay, E, L, E, L, T. Okay, so 3 letters are in 3 places in factorial 3. This is factorial 3. Here is equal to 3 into 3 equal to 6. Okay, and second after A will come E. So here we have fixed here E, and remaining letter this is A, L, T. Okay, so remaining letter is L, A, T arranged in 3 places again in factorial 3 unit is equal to 3 into 3 equal to 6. Okay, and after E we fix L means L comes, and so here L is required in let because we have to find the rank of the word let. Okay, here we fix L, and after L we again starting with the alphabet. So we will come A. Okay, so here A, and we have remaining 2 places. Okay, so remaining 2 places. So here A is also required. So again we fix this A. So here we fix L and A. places and two letters. Okay, first is T and E. Okay, so according to dictionary, first comes A speaks E and T. So this is the E and T. Okay, so this is the one way. This is one, and next L T. Okay, after E, the next word, okay, means E and T may be arranged EP or TE. So this is TE. This is the one way. So therefore the rank of the word late equal to rank of the word late according to this is 6 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so 6 is 12, 1 4, 14. So total, therefore the rank of the word late equal to 14. Okay, so this is another example. When the letter of the word mothers are written in all possible order, and these words are written out as in a dictionary, finding the rank of the word mother. Okay, so here finding the rank of the mother. If the letter of the word mother arranged in dictionary order. Okay, so as we know, in dictionary the word each stage written in alphabetical. So the given word, this is mother. Okay, so the alphabetical order of mother is alphabetical letters equal to, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, okay, N, O, P, Q, R, T. So in alphabetical we come E, H, M, O, R, T. Okay, so let's start to arranging the letter of the word mother according to dictionary. So according to dictionary, first comes E. So we fix E. Okay, and we have remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 letters. After fixing E, 5 letters arranged in 5 factorial way, which is 5 factorial way. Okay, and this is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 equal to 5 4 20, 6, 160. Okay, 160. So again after E, H, so we fix H. are 5 letter 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 letter arranged in 5 factorial way. This is 116. Okay. Okay. This is 5 4 20 120. This is 120. Okay, and after m, okay, but here m is in the letter of, in the word of mother, so we fix m. Okay, again after fixing m, here first letter is E comes, so write E 1 2 3 4 and B has B remaining 4 letter. Okay, left 4 letter remaining, so 4 will arrange in factorial 4 a, which is 4 into 3 into 24. Okay, and this is m, and after E, H will come, so this is again 4 letters arranged in factorial 4 way, which is equal to 24, and after H O, so this is m O. Okay, here O is required in the letter of the word mother, so we fix again O. Okay, after fixing O, we according to dictionary will from E, so we fix again E, and here 3 place. Okay, means 3 letter are remaining, so 3 letter arranged in 3 places factorial 3 way, which is equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. Okay, and again m O, after E H. Okay, become H, and we are 3 remaining letters, so 3 remaining letter arranged again in factorial 3a, which equal to 6. Okay, after m O H, so we come m is here O R, m O R, and remaining 3 letters arranged in again in factorial 3 way equal to 6, and next m O R. Okay, after R is T. T will come, but T is here in letter of the word of the mother. Okay, so after T will come in alphabetical order E, so this is E, fix E, and here we have 2 letter remaining. Okay, so this arrange in factorial 2 way. Okay, and T after E is H, and H is here, and after H E R. Okay, so this is the one way arranging the remaining letter here. Okay, so here we have arranged all possible way according to the dictionary given letter of the word mother. So now find the rank is equal to, now adding all the way. Okay, so by the fundamental principle of addition we will add all the way. This is 120 plus 120 plus 24, 3 times 2 times is 24. Okay, 24 plus 24 plus 6, 2 times 6 plus 3 times 6 plus 2 plus 1. So this is 120, 240 plus 48 plus 12, 18 plus 20 plus 1 is equal to 309. Okay, 9. Okay, so the total rank of the letter of the word mother equal to 309. Means mother will come if the letter of the word arranged according to dictionary at 309 place.